Hi guys, here is yet another new crypto mining project. The name of this crypto mining project is called CESS Network. The CESS Network Airdrop is an exciting opportunity for individuals to mine free CESS token and participate in the growing ecosystem of the CESS Network. As a decentralized platform, CESS Network aims to revolutionize data storage and management, and its native token CESS plays a vital role in this process. In this guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of participating in the CESS Network Airdrop and mining free CESS tokens. CESS Network Mining Project, which just recently started, is another crypto mining project I'm going to be adding to my everyday to-do list. I'm going to be putting this every day. I'm going to be mining on this platform. So guys, this is a free airdrop everyone can actually participate in to mine free CESS token. The striking part of this CESS Network airdrop is that it's the first of its kind. It's the first layer 1 for data storage and management blockchain. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can mine this. It is very easy. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do it to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. So guys, let's get started. Let me go over to their X account to show you guys the official page. Let me go over there right away. So guys, right there you can see it, their X account is actually verified. You can see it right there, CESS Network, the first layer 1 for infinite data storage and milliseconds execution, powering the psych, AI, and the pain innovations. You can see it right there. Let me scroll down now to show you guys their recent post on their X account. Let me scroll upwards. Right there guys is their recent post. You can see what's written there. Says the share airdrop alert. The feature of decentralized storage is here. We are giving you a piece of it. You can see they say join now. So guys, if you have not started mining the CESS airdrop, the CESS Network airdrop, here's an opportunity for you to get started. Go over to the description of this video, or you can go to the comment section. I'm going to be leaving the registration link right there. Tap on the link so that you can start mining CESS token for free. Let me continue reading what is written here. It says earn free CESS token by joining our exclusive airdrop and securing your spot in the next gen web3 storage revolution. They asked why CESS. You can see the 3 reasons why you should actually mine CESS. Ultra fast and decentralized storage network. This is the first of its kind. Like I said, this is powered by AI powered data delivery and built for scalability and fast securing privacy. So guys, this is the first of its kind. This airdrop is going to be actually huge, and we're going to be cashing out from this airdrop. So make sure you hop in as quick as possible. And what I'm going to do now is to go over to crypto rank. Let's get to see those that are actually backing up this airdrop, those that are actually raising funds for this airdrop. And what I'm going to do now is to minimize. Let me go over to the crypto ranking to see if it has been approved. So guys, now you can see right here says, you can see there's blockchain service, and as you can see there the airdrop has been confirmed. You can see it right there. You can see the reward type airdrop, and now you can see at the top right there they have backers. You can see they've raised over $8 million, which is actually huge. They've raised over $8 million. Let's get to see the fundraisers right there. And as you can see there, they have over 10 partners. They have over 10 companies that are actually backing them up. Let me tap on it so you see them. Let me name there. You can see the first one there, TVC. The second one there is DWF Labs, while the third one is Web3 Foundation. You can see HTX Ventures, 7 o'clock Capital, Maintain Partners, Fish DAO, the rest of it. You can see them right there. They are actually more than 10, and you can see that these are the companies and the partners, the investors that they have. They have actually raised over $8 million. So guys, we're going to partake in this airdrop. We're going to partake in that money. So guys, what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to show you guys how you can actually create an account. Creating a CESS Network account is very easy. So let me show you guys the step by step. So let me minimize now. Let me go back to the CESS Network platform. Let me go back now. Right here guys, you can see we are back to the CESS airdrop platform. You can see what's written there, says the share airdrop. As you can see there, my point is 0. I have 0 CESS token for now. So to get more CESS points, more CESS token, you have to do some tags. You can see these tags that we have here: invite friends, daily check-in, upload files. You have to upload any kind of file. It can be a picture, it can be a document. Remember, this blockchain is about data storage. It's the first of its kind. There are so many tags you can do. Just scroll down, you're going to see them. So now for you to create an account, what you can simply do now is to tap on where you can see upload, or you can tap on where you can see copy link, or you can simply tap on where you can see check-in. Whichever one you tap on, you're going to be on the right track. So let me go ahead now to tap on check-in. Let me tap on it. Daily check-in. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see here is the next step. You can see what's written there, log into the share airdrop. So guys, you can create your account using your email address or your X account, which is your Twitter account. But in this video, I'll prefer using my email. So let me tap on where you can see use email. Then let me go ahead now to tap on accept. You can see it's written there, user agreement, read and accept the CESS user agreement and privacy policy. So let me tap on accept right away to agree to their privacy policy. Let me tap on it. So guys, now here's the next step. You can see what's written there, login/sign up. So let me go ahead now to input my email address. Right there is my email address. You can see I've inputted it. Now the next step now is to get the 6-digit code. Now for you to get it, you have to tap where you can see send code. A code will be sent to your email inbox. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on send code so I can go get the code real quick for the creation of my account. So let me tap on send code. Right there guys, can see the countdown time I've started reading. So let me minimize now. Let me go over to my Gmail app. Where is it? Okay, let me tap on it. You can see it's opening up. Right there guys is the verification code. You can see the email sent just now. You can see the time. So let me tap on it now to open it so I can get the code. So guys, now you can see the code down there. Let me scroll upwards. Then what I will do now is to go ahead now to copy this. So let me highlight it real quick. Then let me tap on copy. Then let me go back now to the CESS Airdrop platform. Then let me paste it real quick. Let me paste the 6-digit code so I can continue with this account creation. Let me have a long press. Then let me paste it. You can see I pasted it. So now the next step now is to tap on next. So let me tap on next real quick. Wow guys, you can see now I've been able now to create our CESS Network account. You can see it right there. What I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to complete the task, which is daily check-in. For you to be able to do any task, you must first of all create an account. That's why you saw that we were directed to create an account using our email. So let me go back now to the daily check-in. You can see it right there. So let me tap on check-in now. Let me tap on it real quick. Wow guys, you can see success. I've now been able now to claim my CESS points. You can see it right there at the top, success. As you can see right there, my point is now 10. Initially it was 0, but once I completed this daily check-in, I now have 10 points, 10 CESS token. So guys, this is how you can get more CESS token, and you can actually get more by doing some of the tasks that are down there. You can see quiz challenge. You can see it right there, follow X. You can see invite friends. If you invite friends, you're going to get plus 100 CESS points. Follow their daily retweet, join Telegram, join their Discord account, change profile. So these are the few tasks that you can do right here to get more CESS point, more CESS token. So guys, these are the few things that you need to take note for you to get started with this CESS airdrop. This is an airdrop that we're going to be cashing out big time from, and we are actually early on this airdrop. So maximize this now, do the task, get more CESS points, invite your friends, and do all that you need to do in order to get the best out of this airdrop. What I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to do one more task. So let me do that one, written quiz challenge. You can see it right there what it says. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on start. So let me tap on start. Right here guys, you can see there are actually 10 questions from 1 to 10. You can see it 1 to 10. So what you have to do is to provide the right answers, and in case you want to get the right answers, you can get them on Twitter. Just go over to your Twitter account, search for CESS quiz, you see the answer, then impute it. So what I'm going to do now is to impute this answer, and if you're lucky enough, you're going to be given the same questions in your own CESS network account. And if they give you the same questions, just go ahead to use my answer and you will get a high score. They are actually 10, and each question have 10 points. So let me go ahead now to provide the answers so that you can see it. Let me do that real quick. So guys, right here are the answers. I provided the answers. You can see, just take note of them. You can make a screenshot. You can see I'm slowly scrolling down so that you can take note of them. Just take a screenshot. Hopefully you're going to get this same question. You can see the answers. Just take note of them. So I filled in the answers. Hopefully I'm going to get 100. So let me go ahead now to tap on submit. After you don't inputting the answer, you tap on submit. So let me tap on it. Wow guys, can see, congrats, I got 70 points out of 100. I got 70. That means I got 7 questions out of 10, which is actually a good score. So guys, now this is how you can be able to go about doing these tasks and mining on this free airdrop. So guys, for now, these are the things that you need to know. In my next videos, I'm going to be giving you guys updates on this airdrop so that you can stay updated. So guys, make sure you use the registration link so that you can get started immediately. Remember, if you start early, you stand a chance of getting a higher airdrop. So guys, let me end this video right now. So I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload.